decomposers, and we said that decomposers were organisms that did what? Raise your hand, Kwame.
They break down dead plants and animals.
Good. All right. So we're going to use a few of these items to show the process of decomposing. All right. So we have a carrot. We have a cooked carrot. We have a cooked potato. We have a slice of cheese. We have an orange. And we have a slice of bread. So basically, what we're going to do, let's begin with Kwame's carrot. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this into 3 pieces, and I want to cut these. I want to cut the middle one long ways so that we can see. Well, let's cut all of them long ways so that we can see the process when they begin to decompose. So we've already cooked this carrot, as you can see, and it's wet in the inside, right? Because carrots retain moisture, so they're already a little wet. So what we're going to do with the carrot is we're just going to go ahead and moisten them a little by dipping them in water still. So all the carrots are wet. Everyone see this?
Yes.
Okay. So we're just going to dip that in water. Is this yours? Okay. And we're just going to close it tightly. And we're going to put these over in the windowsill. So we put black construction paper around them because they need to be in a dark, warm environment, because that's where bacteria thrives, in dark, warm, wet areas. That's why we have it in the airtight container, and that's why we put water in. All right, what's next? The potato. So we have a cooked potato here. All right. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut this in quarters. Potatoes cooked. All right. You all can pass that around and feel how warm it is. Just pass it around quickly. Okay. All right, pass them back around. Keep going this way. Okay. So everyone sees and feels how warm they are. So these potatoes are partially cooked. So now, whose jar? Oh, Timothy. You probably should have swapped your jar out with Kwame's. So let's just cut this a little more so that it can fit. So we'll just dip this in a little water. It's cool. We just want to get all of our items wet so that we can. Yes, but we're still going to add a little more moisture to them. I don't know if we can get 1 or 2 more pieces in here, Timothy. No, this isn't cooked enough. Let's see. I think we're going to probably have to stop here with the potatoes. We may be able to slide that one. No, I don't think it'll fit. So, where's your lid? I'm going to go ahead and put Timothy's lid on here. Alright, and what do we have next? Atala's bread. Atala brought a slice of wheat bread. We're going to just, so you have a relative. Yes. Now, I think the bread will probably mold the fastest between the bread and the cheese, personally. What do you all think?
The bread, because it's going to be soggy.
All right. So, this is going to be a little messy, so we're just going to dip that in really quickly. And that's not, we're just going to do that one halfways. Okay. I'm just going to put a few drops on this one. See if that works better. Alright, and we'll just go ahead. Pass me your lid, please. Alright, we've got a Toddler's bread, and we have a Shocky's orange. So, with the orange, we're just going to go ahead and slice this. Alright. Alright, so pass me your glass, please. Just going to go ahead and dip the orange as well. Alright. I think we can go ahead and fit the other 3 pieces in there. How fast do you all think the orange will mold? And how many days do you think?
4.
4 days? Why?
No, I think 6.
Why?
I think 7. Because 6. I think 3. I think I think 2
I hear too many voices at one time. Alright. So there's a Shocky's orange. And last we have Amira's cheese. So Amira brought in a slice of cheese. And we're just going to unwrap.
I think the potato is gonna mold right faster.
Why?
I think the cheese.
Okay. So Amira, we need your jar. Thank you. So this is going to be messy. We're just going to dip the cheese. It's breaking already. We're just going to dip the cheese in the water.
I think we should cut that.
Let's see if I can get it out without it breaking. Alright. Okay. So now we're just going to put a lid on here. Now we're just going to sit all of these items put all of these items in the windowsill while it's still warm. And then, let's try that. We're gonna see what happens with the potato. Yes. Let's see what happens to the potato without the construction paper. All right. What do you all think will happen if it's not dark? Do you think it will slow down the decomposing process, or do you think it will speed it up because it'll be facing sunlight? What do you think?
It will speed it up. It will speed it up. Slow down. It will speed it up.
Alrighty, let's see. Alright, so we have our jars here, and we will be updating you all with the progress in a few days. Alright, tell everybody.
Bye.